Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is a lovely shopping haul. Yes, I've been back to Poundland obviously and Home Bargain, and obviously I want to share everything that I've got with you. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Jane. I do hauls. I upload 3 times a week, anything from fashion and lifestyle. Have a look at my videos if you're interested. So if you want to hit that subscribe button, it will really help my channel, because a lot of you viewers do watch but you don't subscribe. So yeah, I've got quite a few bits to go through, so we're going to go through all the Home Bargain stuff first, so let's get into it. So first up, here is my bag full of goodies from, actually I've got another bag as well from Home Bargain. So yeah, first off, I did pick up the Bathmatic. You would have seen these in my previous video and they come shop with me. So this is the 2x Duo Clean sponges. Now these are like in a pink colour. They've obviously got like a rough side. They're a little bit like the Scrub Buddies and the Dishmatic. They're obviously by the same sort of range, but they're called Bathmatic. So these would be good to sort of clean out baths, obviously. The name, the proof is in the name, you know. So yeah, let me just get my receipt. This was these were $1.29. Actually, I think that's a really good price. Sorry, I do remember now. When I was filming the video, these were $1.29. So yeah, really good, and you get a 2-pack. So yeah, brilliant for your bathroom friend. Yes. So that was that. I got that as well. I obviously picked up the Bliss. These are 4.5 cents if you want Slimming World, just to let you know. 99 calories. These are the double chocolate whip bars, high in fibre as well. You get 5 in there, and they were these were 99p. Bargain, absolute bargain. But don't forget, if you're on Slimming World, 4.5 cents, so a little bit higher than your normal hi-fi sort of thing. Now I always pick up these out of Home Bargains as well, because these were oh my god, these were 99p. oh my god, these are so expensive. Why do they say new popcorn? They've been out ages. Maybe they mean the popcorn's new. Yeah, honestly, these are so good. 99p. I don't believe it, honestly. That is the best price. I need to seriously stock up. Supermarket prices are so expensive. I got the peanut butter ones as well, because I really like them too, and that was 99p as well. I think I need to go and buy some more. Anyway, moving on. I did pick up the elbow grease scrub mate. Now, I always struggle. I mean, as much as I've got a dishwasher and everything, it doesn't always get your pans clean. So I do often sort of do them in the sink, really. This was $1.49. So again, really good. It actually is so hard. Can you see that? It's so hard, and apparently it says it's soft when wet and hard when dry, but it's really rough. So I'm hoping it's obviously going to do a really good job, but it's I don't know what it's made of, but it's strange. But yeah, I'm going to be using that very soon. So that was that one. I smell all of the Zafloras. Honestly, some of the other ones I wasn't really keen on, but I really loved this one. This is the Very Berry. Now this one is the big bottle as well. This is this was $1.99. It's a really good price, because the little ones are usually 99p, and these are the massive ones. I mean, they're at least 3 times the size of the little ones. 250 mils. I think the little ones are 100 mils. So yeah, $1.99 for the big ones. And this Very Berry one is really, really nice. It's a really nice smell. I actually smelled more. So I got that as well. I picked up, because of my allergies, which are getting on my nerves, because I'm always sneezing at the minute. I think I'm allergic to smoking. I picked up a couple of these little sort of pocket tissues. These were like £15 each. I've actually bought these before. So they're in those nice little packets. So I got 2 of those. I also picked up the salted caramel fibre one bars as well. They were $1.29, so slightly dearer than the other ones, but these are like the cakey type ones as well. Watch for the sins on these. I think they're a little bit higher than the bars, if I'm not correct. I'll put on the screen because I can't remember how many sins they are for you Slimming Worlders. But there were those. And then I did actually I did actually pick up these memorial candles, and the only reason I got these is because the message on the front was something that we put in my dad's order of service at the funeral, and it kind of reminded me of him because this is what we had. And I got myself one. I mean, they were only $1.49. They're not like scented or anything, and I'm not going to light it, I don't think, but they were just really nice sort of memorial candles, and that message was just kind of just touched my heart a little bit. So I got myself one, and I got my sister one, so I got 2 of those. So that was everything from that bag. Anyway, now the other bag I've got is, now I also picked up this, which you didn't see. This is the Amber Hills. Now for some reason it's on a different receipt because I actually went in at a different time, but yeah, I picked this up as well. I think this was $1.99. Yeah, this is the Deep Amber Hills. It's got like Disney Frozen on there as well. This is the Blackcurrant Incense and Liquid Amber. Now let's have a little bit of a whiff. Oh, that is so nice. You know, they did a citrus one as well, but I just wasn't feeling citrus at the moment. I'm kind of feeling berry smells, which is why I got that as a floral as well. But that is lovely. It's really nice. Now I also picked up this Radox. Now I think it was 2 for so many, or 1 for $1.49, I think. This is a sleep, calm your mind sleep aromatherapy, lavender and ylang ylang scent bath salt. So I kind of want to use this tonight. I've not been sleeping that well. The allergies have been getting on my nerves, so I really wanted that because I want a good night's sleep. And last but not least, yes, the boring stuff. We needed some loo rolls because we're running out. So I did pick up these Mickey ones. These are pretty good actually. These are like $2.99 for like 9. That is amazing. So I got those as well, which I thought was a bargain. Moving on to Poundland, I picked up loads of these. Yeah, I picked up loads of these Dishmatics because Home Bargain have completely run out of these. They had loads of the Dishmatics, but they just didn't have any refills. They were just none at all. So luckily Poundland had them. Poundland saved the day because we needed some for work for sure, because we got a Dishmatic at work that I took in. Yes. And then I needed to stock up at home as well. So I've got 4 packets in total. So yeah, luckily Poundland saved the day. So I also picked up these giant crumpets. Gonna watch these on Slimming World. I'll put on the screen how much they are for one. I'm not sure, I've not looked it up yet, but I know Sam will eat them. They've got 15th of Jan on, not a bad date at all. So I got 2 packets of those. Yeah, there's the other one. They were 2 for £1. Yeah, they were 2 for £1. Then I also picked up some cat food. Now, the only reason I bought this cat food is that how scared does that bloody cat look? Poor little thing. So I got some of that Pet's Pantry, and I don't know if they'll like this, but that was like £1. And then I also picked them up 2 packets of the Felix as well. They were all like £1 each. I just get them sometimes when I need a bit of a top up. I bought some food waste bags because I'm running out of those. They were £1 as well. Also picked up 2 of these. These were 2 for £1. These are the Pepsi Max Raspberry. I don't know whether you've tried these. These are quite nice actually. They're not too overly raspberry flavoured. It was just a hint of raspberry. So I got those as well. Now I also picked up as well this LED nightlight. Now this was £1, which is crazy, isn't it? It's a whole nightlight. Because me and Sam were talking, we put the cats in the kitchen and it gets pretty dark in there, you know. We might shut the blinds and it's pitch black. Now, I never really thought about it because I always thought cats could see in the dark, but Sam seems to think that they can only see better in low light. Leave a comment below if you know anything about this. But, so I've decided to get them a little night light because we feel mean about leaving them in the dark at night. So they've got their own little night light right now. So, yeah. So I've got that for them for £1. I think it just needs, oh, you just plug it in, which is brilliant. And it's just got a little on and off button on the front there. So, Oh, and it's auto on dusk till dawn, so it's obviously got a sensor and it recognises that it's night, so I don't even have to switch the thing on. So how brilliant is that? So yeah, LED night light, shine bright, and that was £1. Amazing. Now, last but not least, I picked up, because under our stairs we have managed to break the light fitting in the light, so just before we get the electrician to come fix it, because we need to get him in to do a few bits and pieces, something in the garage that's broken, and there's a few bits and bobs that we need him to do anyway, so we want to get it all done in one go. So in the meantime, and I might put some of these under the cupboards as well, I picked up these sort of just LED push on lights, so I just thought I'd just stick these in there for now as a temporary measure. Yeah, so these were £1 each, so I got a set of white ones which are going to be for the understairs, and then I've got 2 lots of black ones that I might actually pop under the counters, because sometimes it's nice just to have the counter lights on, and we don't have them under our counters, but because our kitchen's slightly older, but I thought that I'd just sort of jazz them up a little bit for £1 anyway. I thought that was pretty good. It's probably going to need to put some batteries in there, but I have got some. So yeah, so that was those, and they were £1 each. So that was everything from Poundland. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.